Guys, good evening everyone. My name is Gyanan from English with Village Vlog. Guys, today I am going to make one more solo video for you so that I can tell you that becoming fluent in English is not a piece of cake. See, I have become fluent in English by myself, without environment, without teacher, without institute, and without any qualification. It's just because of a language. And how can you get to know whether it is language or what? Of course, guys, first thing first, just grab all the situation in past time, present time, future time, and then go and just speak. Just recall those situation. Okay, suppose I'm here, so how can I describe all the environment? I have situation to describe all the thing. I have situation to describe my past thing. I have situation to describe my future thing. But the thing is that we don't speak. That is why we are confused. That what should I speak? How can I speak? And in order to open our mouth, we take lots of effort. That oh, how can I speak? We can't speak in a single word. Just yes, we do. I know what we do. We just watch videos of English content. We just and of course we think after doing those things we think that of course I'm learning day by day, but guys, it's your delusion. You are not learning anything, you are observing, and after some time you are going to forget again. Don't run after your doubts of English. Whatever you learn, suppose today I learn only present situation. We have 9 situation in present time. In order to describe possession means जो कुछ भी हमारे पास है, I can speak. And state of being, whatever I am right now, whatever is something I can see, which I can describe. State of being, possession, all the situation. If you don't know the situation, it's okay, but I think you must know tenses. If you know tenses, so tenses are all the thing. You must be thinking, what are you saying? You are talking about basic thing, tenses. How can I speak with the help of tenses? It is your guys, that is your mistake here. I'm here speaking. I'm speaking here. So do you think that I must have learned English from somewhere else, from an institute, from any trainer? No, I'm speaking my tenses. But yes, earlier I learned and I practiced a lot how to speak with the help of tenses. I'm speaking. What we have to speak? You have to speak sometime order, request, permission, and with the help of tenses. Suppose I'm going outside, so of course I'm going to say, okay, I have come to market, now I'm going to buy vegetables, and you can see there is a huge crowd in the market. And can you see uh, vegetables are being sold? And now I'm going to buy vegetables. Now I'm going to ask the rate of vegetable. So by this way, I have spoken tenses. So guys, just believe in tenses and start speaking. If you don't have a partner, it's okay, no problem. You are here. So suppose now I'm going to tell you how I practiced when I used to learn English. So let me tell you how. So guys, first thing first, I completed my tenses, and after completing my tenses, I started speaking. I described my past activity, present activity, future activity. So I used to say, okay, yesterday, at that time I was not able to speak fluently, so I was speaking slowly. That yesterday I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning and I got fresh. Then I then my mom gave me breakfast. I took breakfast, and I think I ate uh, 2 parathas with yogurt. And after that, I went to my friend's home and I said to him, "Let's go to park." Then we both went to park. We had some uh, fun over there. Then we came back to home, and I came back to my home and took shower, took lunch, and took rest. And in the evening I studied for some time. Like this, what I spoke only second form, because I know whatever you did yesterday, so you have to speak with the help of second form. So I know tenses are everything. All the magic is hidden in tenses. So if you believe in tenses, so speak. I am telling you. Okay, and if you don't believe, so just tell me. uh, you think that I have seen so many advanced speaker, they don't with the help of tenses. So tell me, Can you speak any single sentence without any tenses? No. Yeah, you can make some like advice, order like this, but of course you have to speak tenses, guys. Tenses are everything. So just believe in that. And if you don't believe, so just think, just see me. Example is in front of you. I'm speaking just because of tenses and some basic words. I don't run after like advanced thing, like idiom, phrases, and this thing, that thing. Once you become perfect on basic thing, you don't need to mug up anything. Everything will come to you, and everything you can understand easily. Just make habit, guys. Don't waste your time. Speak. Start speaking like me. Whenever I am, wherever I am, I start speaking. Why? Because it's my habit. Earlier, I did lots of effort to open my mouth to say, my name is Gyan Chandra. Why? Because I was not habitual to speak. I, 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 I couldn't speak because I didn't have habit to speak. But now I can speak because slowly I made habit for me that no. It's like useless to learn English until I'm not speaking. So what is the benefit? What is the point of learning English if I'm not speaking? I'm just reading, writing, and watching videos. Why? I don't need to do this. I need to speak, guys. So then I started speaking, and now I'm totally habitual to speak. I just want to tell you that I'm a blazer. I don't have any environment, and I must say that you don't have any environment either. So guys, if you don't know anything, it's okay. You know some basic word. Everyone knows that come, go, here, there, and every like situation. So whatever we speak under like 15 or like 18 words. We know those words. We know, and we know structure as well. Present tense, past tense, and future tense. So what we need? We need to practice now. We need to speak now. That I'm now from onward. Now from now onwards, I'm going to speak. I'm going to describe my today's activity. Now I'm going to describe my yesterday activity and future activities. Future activities, like you are going to ask about your like plan, that okay, what will you do tomorrow, Gyanend? Well, tomorrow I will go to college. Okay, you will go to college. That is great. So guys, I asked the question and I replied. How? Just because of tenses and just because of some basic words. So guys, easy, guys, easy. You think that okay, grammar is so big and spoken is so big, but there is nothing. If you go to any institute, you will be taught nothing, just these things which you can learn at home. And of course you will be taught, you will be asked to practice, no matter whether you are in big institute, no matter you are at home. So if you are asked all the time, practice, so why don't you practice at home alone? If you feel bored, so I'm going to give you one more suggestion, that okay, you can take topic. Suppose my topic is yesterday I broke my friend's mobile, so it could be your topic. You can take lots of topics. Yesterday my father was angry, my mother didn't give me breakfast, my brother, he stole my chocolate. So on this you speak. Suppose my situation is, I'm going to choose one of the situation. So my situation is, yesterday my brother stole my chocolate. Now I'm going to speak on this situation. So let me tell you how, so that you can also do the same at your home. So yesterday I was at home. Then one of my relative came, and he came along with some chocolate. That time my brother was not at home, so he gave me all the chocolate, and seeing the chocolate I got happy. But I thought, okay, now I will not eat those chocolate. I will eat chocolate after some time. Then I put those chocolate into the fridge, and after that I went to my friend's home. And when I came back to home, I opened fridge and I couldn't find those chocolate. I started crying. I asked my mom, where are my chocolate? Mom said to me, your chocolate have been eaten by your brother. Then I got angry and I started crying, but I couldn't eat chocolate. So by this way, find situation to speak. If you can't find, comment me. I will give you situation every day, and I will tell you how to practice. So thank you so much, guys. If you like this video,